So the Starmer regime have decided to make some changes to the Universal Credit and Independence Payment Bill. Unfortunately, it's a whitewash, a fraud, a sleight of hand. It's also an attempt to pit current claimants against future claimants because they're saying they are protecting current claimants. Whether that is absolutely true, I don't know. But what they're trying to do is pander to the I'm all right Jack mentality that is so prevalent in the human race. I'm not the sort of person who thinks that way. I do not climb a ladder and then pull it up after myself because I don't need it anymore. I didn't get the benefits as early as I could have claimed them. I went out to work, I didn't even know I was actually ill. I was undiagnosed for 19 years with depression. But that's by the by. I'm claiming them now. They're saying that I will be covered. But I was lucky to get depression as early as I did. If someone gets it, and I'm not talking about a single few weeks or months, I'm talking about a long-term problem, then I'm not willing to see those people denied a benefit that I have got just because they happen to get it after these new rules come into force. It's not fair on them, and it aggrieves me. It makes me feel worse to think that I may keep the benefit when others are going to be denied it, and they may be in exactly the same position as I am in terms of how it affects them. It's not right. And according to a tweet I saw that read something in The Guardian, I haven't read it myself, so please take this with a pinch of salt. It said that if you lose your benefit because you're reassessed as not needing it, but then you go to a tribunal and you get it back, they may consider that as a new claim, and then you would be assessed under the 4-point rule. Already there is a financial incentive for assessors to get you kicked off of your benefits. They get a bounty for every person they get kicked off of benefits. This is just going to make it worse. Just going to make it worse, and still there will be the problem facing disability benefit claimants, which is you are being treated like a criminal. This bill should not go through. It should not be allowed to continue, even in its newly amended form, because these amendments were done on the back of a fag packet. Oh, quick, we'll have to come up with something to make this more digestible, because otherwise we're going to lose it, and then we're going to lose face. Starmer has no credibility. Neither have Reeves, neither has Kendall. It needs to be scrapped in its form as it is now, newly amended, and proper engagement with disabled people needs to be done. If you haven't already, write to your MP. It'll have to be email now because the vote's on Tuesday. Keep the pressure up. We cannot allow future benefit claimants to be disadvantaged, to have an extra hurdle put in their way when it's already difficult enough living with a disability. If you like this video, click the thumbs up. If you really liked it or agree with it or anything, please share it around. It would be nice if this message got out a bit further. Also, if you liked it enough to want to, why not subscribe? There'll be videos like this and there'll be other videos on other topics as I can make them. And if you do subscribe, press the notification bell so you know when a new video's been dropped. I don't do content every day, but that's because my mental health and all my other problems prevent me from keep making videos daily. So you won't be swamped with lots of notifications from me, but it would be nice if you did return if you became a subscriber. Thanks very much, and I'll see you later.